The Surge credit card is an unsecured credit card designed for people with limited or poor credit history, and it reports payment activity to all 3 major credit bureaus. By the end, you'll know how approval works, what you actually get with the Surge card, and whether it is worth applying for in 2026 compared to other credit building cards. Start with approval. Surge uses a pre-qualification process that checks your credit profile before a full application. This helps you see potential approval odds without immediately committing to a hard inquiry. Now explain what that means. This card is built for credit rebuilding, not strong credit users. Approval depends on your existing credit profile and overall risk level. Now explain what happens after approval. Once approved, you receive a MasterCard that can be used for everyday purchases wherever MasterCard is accepted. Your payment activity is reported to all 3 major credit bureaus each month. Now explain the credit impact. That reporting is the main reason people use this card. On-time payments can help build credit history over time. Now explain the structure of the card. Surge is known for offering different account terms depending on your credit profile. That means fees and credit limits can vary significantly from person to person. Now explain the main benefit. The main benefit is access to unsecured credit without needing a security deposit. That makes it easier for people who cannot afford secured card deposits to start building credit. Now explain the trade-off. The trade-off is cost and variability. Depending on your offer, terms may not be as competitive as other entry-level credit cards. Now explain the biggest misconception. Surge is not a rewards credit card. It is not designed for cash back, travel perks, or premium benefits. Now, explain who it helps most. It is most useful for people rebuilding credit after financial setbacks or starting with very limited credit history. Now explain who it is less useful for. It is less useful for users who already qualify for low-fee credit cards or better reward structures. Now explain the limitation. Your exact offer depends heavily on your credit profile at the time of application. That means 2 users can get very different credit limits and fee structures. Now, summarize the core idea. Surge is a credit-building card focused on accessibility rather than rewards. It reports payments to all major credit bureaus to help build credit history. And its value depends on whether you accept its terms compared to other options available to you. One practical next step. Always compare your pre-qualification offer with at least one other credit-building card before applying, because terms can vary a lot. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit cards without confusion.